I can do something?
Yeah. Who is making mess?
You.
Hello my travelers, welcome back to my channel. Lunch during your travels. So we're going to need a little bit of salmon, need a little bit of feta. So there is lots of different fetas. Feta cheese can be found in with some spices or without spices or just like this. We need some cannelloni. So this is enough. It's 250 grams of cannellons. I think this is enough for 4 people. Yep, and the salmon.
Now this next the salmon and cheese. You mix this and you need broccoli.
We don't have broccoli, so
No? Okay. Everybody have broccoli. This mama, this one's going in here. I am cleaning today. I am cleaning today.
Usually when you travel, you don't have so many ingredients. Wait, Sophie. You can add a little bit of salt. If you have some herbs, put herbs. If you have mustard, you can add a little bit of mustard. If you have soy sauce, you can add a little bit of soy sauce. And if you have a little bit of pesto green sauce, I like to add a little bit of fresh basil because that's my favorite thing to do.
Thumbs up. Subscribe now. Now this next the salmon and cheese. It's all what that sound?
Il tempo sia denaro. E se fosse così, riusciresti a scambiare il tempo con 2 pezzi da 50?
So we need to crush it a little bit.
Pie, it says pie in the basket for you and for me. Okay? I'm gonna do fagapana first. Fagapana in a kai. Hey, lang moto tenana mo amateur waiwa. Okay, I'm in it.
Bravo. So you have to actually fill those cannellons. You know what we can do? We can put some egg.
Yeah.
Okay, if you eat your eggs, you can put egg.
Egg. It's to smash it. It's not gonna be cool. You scratch it. Eggs are really cool. Don't scratch them. They're gonna be broken. Or do you crack them here or here? Or floor or in the chair. Don't do that. Please. It's not gonna be cool. Or do you smash it? Or put it on egg on my head or mommy's head or Axel's hair.
We're talking about food, Sophie, you know? You don't put eggs on the hair.
Si sa, noi del sud siamo sognatori inermi. Si sa, noi del sud giriamo il mondo a remi fermi. Testimoni del riposo alla controre sacro pure alle campane.
Okay, we need...
Noi del sud facciamo pugni con la storia.
So the idea now is to shred the cheese
Yep.
and put on the top so we can bake with the cheese in the end. Is we wait for the 20 minutes, then we put the cheese, and then when the cheese become a little bit brownish, and that is actually time when it's ready to put it out of the oven. For you, my travelers, I have something else. So even at home, I like to use those, but you can find even smaller, I think, like this. You can shred the cheese, you can shred nuts, you can shred whatever you want. Chocolate, when you do your sweets, we'll do some sweet snacks. This one is easy to pack, you can put in everything, doesn't take so much space. Add the cheese and we'll put on the top of casseroles and then we'll serve it and then we're gonna try it.
My turn to talk?
Your turn to talk.
Okay, this says we can cut the cheese with this and we do it like that. And the biggest one has got biggest cheese or they have it.
Well done. You're gonna do it?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Let's go! My mom's enough for taking this off, but it's okay. You can take it off for yourself. Bye.
Okay, we're gonna show some cheeses. My favorite is, so one of my favorite is pecorino romano and also parmigiano reggiano.
I can't say, look, I'm not.
It's too hot.
Can I put it?
An extra minute because I think we need a little bit of color. Yum.